Yes. Excuse yourself. I'm so sorry, sir. I need to check with the chef whether we have peanuts. Give me 2 minutes for me to check. Alright. So while I'm checking, you all can just choose your menu, right? Then you go to the. Okay. Clear. Okay. Alright. So once you have already explained the menu, give the customer time for them to think. So you go back a few meters and just wait for the customer. Do not wait here. Okay. Nampak dengan kau. You know the waiter at, normally at Thai Mama order dia. Okay, so let them wait. Just wait like 1 or 2 minutes. Alright. Once you can see they stop chatting, then you come back. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to take the order? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So on your hand, you will have, we call it as order pad. This order pad consists of what you need to write down on the from appetizer until dessert. Okay, so this is where you will need to what do you call it? You will need to reconfirm the order. Why? Why you need to reconfirm the order? Because the order have been made earlier. Remember, you have made the customer have made the reservation earlier, right? And the host have all the details, right? Remember how many chicken, how many fish, how many duck, for example, for here. Okay, so now you for my project, you don't have to take order. Can I take your order, please? Do you want chicken or no? Your task is to reconfirm the order. Okay, okay, sir, madam. From your reservation, you have made an order for 2 chicken and 2 duck. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So may I know which one is the chicken? Which one is taking the duck? Chicken. Duck. Chicken. Right. So you reconfirm and you write down. So once you have reconfirmed, okay, all right, then you repeat the order. How do you repeat the order? Okay, sir, let me repeat the order. For today, you have 4 courses, all right, and for the main course is 2 ducks and 2 chicken. Chicken, duck. Okay, once you reconfirm, okay, and then you have to go and fire the order. Okay, fire the order. How to fire the order? Fire. No. Okay. But before you go and fire the order, you inform the customer, okay, we will serve the appetizer soon, sir. Alright? Okay. Then you understand? Okay. Alright. Okay. We can stop for a while.